Yeah, now he knows. Woo! Alright, we're gonna have to be careful with this one. I wish I brought a net. Oh my god. Alright. Hi boys, welcome back to another episode. So today we're fishing for a feed. We're going for some flatties. Had a fishless week. I fished 4-5 times this week. Went out for like 3 hours yesterday, nothing. So today I've got we're fishing weedless. I've got a Rapala, the Suspect I think it's called on. It's a 2.95 inch minnow. This one's pelt watermelon. I've got a few other ones ready to go as well. We've got watermelon, bait fish colour and motor oil. We'll try some stuff around today. The jighead I'm using is a TT, what is that, TT Snakelockz. It's like a weedless setup, although you still get snagged on them, but a lot less than you would on a traditional jighead. 1/12 size 1. Alright, we've got a cracking wind today, firing right at us, so hopefully that means the bait fish pushed up against here. Incoming tide. It's windy as shit, so I really hope this little wind cover does its job. We'll start here and we'll work our way down to the drains. Just going to slow roll this along. I missed the start of the outgoing. I set my alarm for 5 AM. Didn't wake up. So I thought we'll come here while the current's absolutely pumping. The sun's out. See if we can get anything. With the incoming, it's a bit iffy with flatties. I don't really know where they sit. Outgoing, they often sit up shallow on the drop-offs, but incoming, I don't know, they can be challenging around here. They seem to be all over the joint, so I guess you just need to find the bait. How's this swimming? So I'll put in maybe 10 casts around here, and then we'll move. Yeah, the tide's pumping right now, so let's keep moving. Oh. One or two in here. I'm looking for places where I can actually land the flatties amongst all these if we do get a hookup, because nothing will be worse than trying to lift it over the trees. I didn't bring a net, so get over the wind, we're having a knot. I'm not seeing much bait there, but over near this drain, so we can spot for bait to hang out. Just got to be careful, there is underwater structure around here, which is why I'm using this weedless setup. Now even with this setup you're still going to get snagged up, unfortunately, but it's good that the wind's kind of pushing everything into here. So just going to pull this along, basically just skull dragging along the floor at the moment. So I don't know, maybe we'll give this a good coverage here around this area, and then we'll swap to a different colour, or maybe then there's a different jig. Might go like a little 2.5 inch presentation or something. Maybe this is too big for them today. I think that's a rock we're going over. There's quite a few big rocks here. Gotta be real careful of. So we just swapped out to a 2.5 inch creeper Rapala as well. This is in the what is this? Bloodworm UV, I think. This is a size 2, so we've gone down a size. Same hook as before, but size 2. See if this gets any attention. There we go. It's only really small, but there we go, one. Got one. That was a really subtle bite too. Oh, there he goes, he knows now. Let him play a bit. He's a little tacker. But there you go, that worked. Oh, it came off. Oh no, he came off. He's in there. Do I dare try to get him? Yeah, he's off. Yeah, he just swam away. Oh. Yeah, it was quite skinny anyway. Probably would have put him back. That was like nice and close just here, so they're around. And they like this colour by the looks of it. This little drop tail. So I think, yeah, next time I need to stop playing around and just yank them up. Yep, there we go. That's one. This one's good. We got a good one. Yeah, boy, he doesn't know his hook though. Set that hook real good. Yeah, now he knows. Woo! Alright, we're gonna have to be careful with this one. I wish I brought a net. Oh my god. Alright. Do not lose this. Oh yeah, that's a real decent one there. When they drag right up. Alright, I've got no idea how I'm going to get this up, boys. Oh, wow, that really burnt. Don't know if you can see that in the water, that's huge. Got a big girl. On 6 pound. So, I unfortunately don't have a net. And I'm kind of scared of it. It's like just pinned there. So I'm just going to let him kind of tire himself out a bit. I'm just going to give him one lift and then we're going to go. Ready? Time that drag right up. I'm going to lift that. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh no, I can't lift him. I can't lift him. Fuck, I wish I brought a net. Yeah, got him. There you go, look at that beast. Woo-wee. Hey. Yeah, it's a flathead. That's a good one too. That's probably a 50, I reckon. Try to give that a measure without... I couldn't lift it, it was so heavy. Like, this is really light gear.
I got one up in the X-Mouth.
Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. Well, that big 55er. Hell yeah. Just about to leave this spot. And we hooked that up, so let's try and get another one. Can't believe that. That's the biggest flatty I've ever caught, and I nearly lost it while I was bleeding it out. Can you imagine? What a waste. Oh yeah, that thing was hectic. That pulled some drag. On 6 pound too. Can't believe that. So they little Rapala 2.5 inch creepers in the Bloodworm get the job done. I'm still shaking. Look at that. That was the biggest flatty I've ever caught. That was insane. That thing was heavy. That's a big girl. So they're out and about. I was just about to move spot too. There we go. Something small, I think. Heading over here. Oh no, he's got to let it go. Damn, he pulled it out. Didn't get that hook in. There's a good sign over here though. Looking around this tree. This little beach area. Oh, it keeps letting it go. Yeah, there we go. Yang. I don't know. Oh, it's not a flathead. What is this? Oh no, one of these things. I hate these things. Off it goes. Little micro cruncher, eh? That's what's been destroying it. Look what he did to the plastic. I thought it was a flatty the way it was hitting it and just gliding. We're gonna make our way back, but I might just walk over here a sec and cast in over this way. Well boys, I think we're going to wrap it up. So we've got our PB flatty, 55 centimeters. We'll have to double check that, but super stoked with that. Dropped a nice little flatty, but you know, the fish guys repaid us with a PB, so yeah. Anyway, that's it. We've got our dinner, just the one, but yeah. If you like this shit, like and subscribe for more. Peace.